to show you how I did this eye look. It's kind of like a smoky eye glam, and I did like this whole glam, but I'm only showing you guys this part, like literally just my eyeshadow part. If you want to see how this turns out and how I did it, just keep on watching. And if you like makeup videos, subscribe, because might as well, you're already here, and like this video and share with your friends so they can all learn and we can all improve together. So first things first, what you're gonna need for this video, if you want to do this eyeshadow look or whatever that I'm going to be doing, is you're gonna need this palette. It's a Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Literally, if you like natural colors and like nice like soft glams, obvious soft glams, or if you like a nice smoky eye with a little exotic touch to turn it into a glam look, this is the palette you need to buy. But basically it looks like this, but yeah, it has all these colors and it has like 4 or 5 glitters, and I love them all to death. So I first prime my lids. I use concealer, so the concealer that I use is this Pro Conceal LA Girl one. It's in shade Pure Beige GC976. For it to have a nice sticky base as well, because you need the powders to stick onto your lids. Now to go into the colors, I'm using my Morphe M504 brush. This is to die for. You need this brush if you do eyeshadow, or you need like a good blending brush for highlighter. This is all in one brush. You can put like powder, anything you can use this brush for. It's literally the softest bristles ever also, but I love this one to pack in my eyeshadow. The first color I'm going to be using is Orange Soda. I'm going to use that one to kind of create a little base for me, kind of set it as well, but create a base. And now I'm gonna go in with Bullberry. I think that's how you say it. This one I'm gonna pack it onto my lid and kind of blend it as well. But next I go in with a AOA Studio E136 a USA brush. It's by Shop Say. These are like dollar brushes, I think. And I'm gonna go ahead and grab Bullberry, and you want to make sure you tap off the excess with these Anastasia palettes because they do have a ton of powder, and I like to pack it into my outer corner. I'm gonna go ahead and go with Burnt Orange, tap off the excess, and kind of go more on the lid and inner corner. This will make it a little lighter and a bit more orangey, orange tannish. And now use that same brush and use Rustic, which is a little more darker one, and kind of put it more on the lid but towards the inner corner. And now I'm gonna go with the Bullberry and then some of Cypress Umber, just on the very tip of the brush. I'm not on around the edges. I literally just go like that, like up and down, up and down, up and down, not like round it around. And with this, I'm packing it in, like right under my eyebrow bone. Once you're done with that, you want to go back to your 504 brush, and with no product, you want to just blend it. And you can raise your eyebrow as well. And now I'm gonna go ahead and do a little cut crease or whatever with my Lexi 245 small shader brush that I got from the BoxyCharm package. And with this, I'm gonna go with my more wider concealer, which is the LA Girl Pro Conceal concealer, but this is a different shade. This one is in creamy beige. It's in GC973. And the glitter is going to be from the same palette, and what you want to do is you want to make sure this is wet. That will make the glitter more vibrant. And what you want to do is you want to get the Mario Badescu. This is the one I'm using, and it's rose water, and I kind of give little squirts back to back and I like twist it. The color that I'm gonna use is glistening, and then a mix with rose pink as well. I'm gonna go ahead and put glistening first, kind of around my lid, just to give it a little something for the concealer to hold. So I'm kind of just patting it on the lid, mixing it with glistening. And now I'm picking up glistening, like the both of them at the same time. And you want to just try to get as close as you can towards the edge of the concealer. So that's literally it with the glitters. What you want to do is add more color to the outer corner. So with the outer corner, I'm using this brush, the Morphe M321 brush. And it just looks like that. It's really precise, and it's really long, but it's really precise. Like the thing is kind of tapered inwards. And with that one, I'm getting mulberry and cypress. And that's what I'm going to do with the pack in right here to create this cut crease. Not so harsh. And kind of blend it as well, so then it makes it not harsh. And now you want to go back with your favorite brush, Morphe M504 brush, and make sure there's no product on it. Wipe it on your towel and blend to the gods. And that's literally the look. Like, if you guys see this, it's beautiful. So yeah guys, that's the eyeshadow look. I will show you guys like with my full glam at the very end. Like, I'll have pictures and stuff of like eyeshadows once I'm like all done with my face base and stuff, like all my makeup. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. You can add even inner corner glitter. I usually do that towards like once I'm done with my foundation and stuff, but like I said, I'll show you guys at the very end. So we're back, and I kind of did like everything. The only thing I need is like my mascara and my under eye eyeshadow. The brush I'm using is the same one I used earlier, is the Morphe M321. It's a little tapered one, and with this I'm gonna get mulberry and cypress umber. And with this, you just want to like pack it under your eye, like right next to your waterline. Yeah, that's literally it. I'm gonna go ahead and like do my hair, and then I'm gonna take some pictures, but basically you guys can already see the look, and the eyeshadow looks bomb. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video on my eyeshadow tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe and like and share with your friends this bomb ass look, and be like, sipping on egg, no crack. My love, I got weight. Young nigga do what he got to. I'ma die next in the mall. I'ma die late cause I got to.